call my first witness to the stand. Please state your name for the record.
Patty Lester.
And what is your occupation?
I have been a United States Secret Service agent since 1997. I specialize in protecting public officials. In the past, I have protected several Supreme Court justices, a president, and several candidates for federal offices.
And what about your education for your career?
I did my protection and investigation training at Raleigh Center in Maryland. I received my bachelor's degree in criminal justice from Georgia Tech and my master's degree in criminology from UCLA.
And what was your most recent assignment?
On July 4th, 2022, I worked at a rally, and my objective was to protect Carla Gebo at a rally she hosted on this day.
And is Miss Gebo very outspoken and opinionated on controversial issues?
Yes, in the past, she has been very outspoken in her opinions on assault rifles and her desire to ban them. She has also advocated for less government insight, lower taxes, and a compromised position on abortion.
So essentially, you, Patty Lester, were assigned to protect Carla Gebo at her 4th of July rally, and then you met Tracy Hancock.
Yes, his vehicle, a black Chevy Suburban, pulled up to my checkpoint. I was immediately suspicious because his license plate indicated he was from Georgia, and Georgia and Roma are not adjacent to each other.
And what did you do with this suspiciousness?
I asked Mr. Hancock if he was here for the rally. He hesitated a moment before replying yes. I then asked him if he then added he was a big fan of Carla Gebo after hesitating for another minute. This entire exchange was very suspicious, so I asked him to exit the vehicle. He said, "I would rather not." I then ordered him to do so, and he complied.
And what did you do next?
I asked him if I could search his phone. He allowed me to do so. I thoroughly checked his phone, including browsing history, notes, and apps. The apps I checked included Reddit, Twitter, and Facebook. I found nothing on the device indicating his presence at the rally or anything about Miss Gebo.
Did you search anything else?
I then checked his vehicle. In the glove box, I found a title and insurance indicating that he did own it. In the trunk, I found an AR-15 assault rifle with 2 full clips of ammunition, a janitorial jumpsuit with the name D. Lyle sewn into the front, and a wheelable trash cart.
You found an AR-15 assault rifle with 2 full clips of ammunition in his car?
Yes, I did.
Yet earlier he had claimed he was going to a rally to support Carla Gebo, who is openly opposed to assault rifles.
Yes, that is correct.
What about the wheelable trash cart and the jumpsuit?
When I began to question him upon them, he stopped speaking and requested a lawyer. I then later verified that the gun, he had a valid gun permit in Georgia.
Did you do any further investigation?
I questioned his coworkers. They were not aware of his presence at the rally, and they had said that he had never mentioned politics.
So do you, Patty Lester, believe that Tracy Hancock is guilty of attempted murder against Carla Gebo?
Yes, I do.
Could you list the reasons why?
He was found at a rally with an AR-15 assault rifle and 2 full clips of ammunition of a politician who was known to be outwardly spoken against them. And he had traveled far enough that even if he hadn't put them in there, he would likely have noticed suspicious objects in the car. Also, he has no connections with any janitorial services and or anyone who works in a janitorial service. This together makes me believe that he was guilty of attempted murder.
Thank you. That'll be all.